Upon the tiny shores where oceans roll, Cape Conran stands with mysteries below. Secrets whispered by the ancient tide, where the wild and the tranquil coincide. Oh, Conran shores forever call to me, where waves crack the symphony of the sea. Eternal shores where spirits fly so free. Conran's embrace forever will be, guarded by cliffs where eagles dare to soar against the storms that have shaped its lore. Nature's canvas vivid and so wide, hated by winds and the restless tide. The forests sing with the wind's old tunes, and echoes dance under suns and moons. Legacies left by the sea's brave nights, carried in the wind through endless flights. Oh, Conran shores forever call to me, where waves crack the symphony of the sea. Eternal shores where spirits fly so free. In Conran's embrace forever will be, beneath the blue a world unseen unfolds, where coral beauty quietly beholds. Life in abundance in hue so bright, a secret garden hidden from the lights. Each sunset cloaks the sky in fiery hues, a daily masterpiece to inspire the muse. Night whispers softly a celestial lullaby, under a tapestry woven by the starry sky. Moonlight caresses the silvered sands, a gentle touch by night's soft hands. The sea reflects the moon's serene glow on Conran's shores where time moves slow. Oh, Conran shores forever call to me, where waves craft the symphony of the sea. Eternal shore where spirits fly so free. In Conran's embrace forever will there be, where the land meets water and the sky meets both. Conran's beauty swears an eternal oath, unchanged, unchallenged.